How to find out degree of a polynomial? Listen. So what it is called algebraic expression. What are the terms are there? Variables and constants. So that is called as what? Polynomial. How to find out degree of a polynomial? Here there is no power what? 1. So what is the power? A variable consisting of the power, not constants. Variable power is what? 1. So it is called highest power of a given polynomial is called degree. Here what is the highest power? Here 1. What is the power? 2, 1. Which one is the highest? 2. What is the power? 3, 2, 1. What is the highest power? 3. What is the highest power? 4, 3, 2. What is the highest power? See, what is the highest power? So all are the polynomials in one variable. What is the highest power? 10. So the highest power of the polynomial is called what? Degree of the polynomial. So once write down the definition. What is the definition of the degree of the polynomial? Highest power of a polynomial is called degree of the polynomial. Degree of a polynomial. Write your own example. So what is with a polynomial? Polynomial is an algebraic expression consisting of variables and constants. So how to say degree of the given polynomial? So the highest power of a polynomial is called what? Degree of the polynomial. Example. Two x power 10, 3x power 9 plus 4. What is the degree? Highest power. See the highest power 10, 9. Only variables as power, not constant numbers. So degree is equal to what? 10. This is the concept of degree of polynomials. According to degree, so the polynomials are classified mainly 4 types. So let us listen. First type. Note on this one. What is meant by degree of a polynomial? Highest power of a polynomial is called what? Degree. According to degree, mainly the polynomials are classified into first one. Listen. Ax plus b. Here a, b are called as what? Real numbers. A not equal to 0. Here what is the variable? X. If there is no power, what is the power? 1. A polynomial, it is known as what? Algebraic expression. Why? It is a variable and constant. So an algebraic expression consisting of variables and constants is called what? Polynomial. So it is a polynomial. For this one, degree is what? 1. If a degree is 1, it is a special name is known as what? Linear polynomial. Linear, don't write, listen. Linear polynomial. General form of linear polynomial is ax plus b, where a not equal to 0. A not equal to 0, a comma b are what? Real numbers. So like that. Second one. Listen, don't write them. Ax square plus bx plus c. What is degree? Degree is equal to what? 2. So, and a polynomial whose degree is 2 is called as what? Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial where a, b, c are called as real numbers and a not equal to 0. Like that, you must write down cubic polynomial. Degree is what? Cubic polynomial is what? 3. And again, this is what? Degree is what? 4. It is called as biquadratic polynomial. So once again, listen. The highest power of a polynomial is called degree. An expression, a polynomial whose power is how much? 1. So it is called degree. A polynomial whose degree is 1 has a special name called as what? Linear polynomial. A polynomial whose degree is 2 has a special name called as what? Quadratic polynomial. A polynomial whose degree is 3. Degree means what? Highest power is called as what? Cubic polynomial. A polynomial whose degree is 4 is called what? Biquadratic polynomial. Now write down the definition. First one, linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. What is linear polynomial? Linear means how much? A polynomial whose degree is 1, whose degree is 1 called linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. One more question. Define linear polynomial. General form of linear polynomial is, write down general polynomial as an example. Ax plus b, where a comma b or belongs to what? Real numbers and a not equal to 0. Do you understand or not? So once again, what is polynomial now? An algebraic expression consisting of variables and constants is called what? Polynomials. And a polynomial whose highest power, you know it very well, that the highest power is called what? Degree of the polynomial. According to degree, first what I told, a polynomial whose degree is 1 is called what? Linear polynomial. Second one, what is linear for second one? Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Same model. What is quadratic? Linear means degree is 1. A polynomial whose degree is 2, whose degree and the highest power now, degree is 2, called quadratic polynomial. Very, very important. Quadratic polynomial. What is general form of quadratic polynomial? General form is, I am telling as an example, ax square plus bx plus c. Condition is a not equal to 0. Again, a comma b comma c belongs to what? R. So once again listen, what is quadratic polynomial? A polynomial whose degree is 2 is called what? Quadratic polynomial. General form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Condition is a not equal to 0. If a is equal to 0, it will become as what? Linear polynomial. That's right. A, B, C belongs to R. Note down these two. Is cubic polynomial. Same model. What is linear polynomial? A polynomial whose degree is 1 is called what? Linear polynomial. General form is ax plus b. A not equal to 0. If a is equal to 0, it will become a constant term. So, what is quadratic polynomial? A polynomial whose degree is 2 is called what? Quadratic polynomial. General form of a quadratic polynomial is what? Ax square plus bx plus c, where a not equal to 0, a, b, c are what? Real numbers. Third one is a cubic polynomial. Same one. Cube means 3. So, a polynomial whose degree is 3 is called what? Cubic polynomial. A polynomial whose degree is 3, whose degree is 3 called what polynomial? Cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Example, I am writing general form as an example. This is the general form of a cubic polynomial. What is the polynomial? Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a, b, c, d are what? Belongs to what? A not equal to 0. Next, fourth one is biquadratic, bi, not by, pua, biquadratic polynomial. What is meant by quadratic? Degree is 2. Biquadratic means double, 4. So, what is biquadratic polynomial? A polynomial whose degree is 4 is called as what? Biquadratic polynomial. A polynomial whose degree is 4 called biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. Example, general form of biquadratic polynomial is where ABC are called what? Real numbers. Ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e is the general form of biquadratic polynomial. Today I told what is meant by polynomial. Polynomial is an algebraic expression consisting of variables and constant. So, according to degree, how to write degree of a polynomial? The highest power of a polynomial in one variable only is called what? Degree of the polynomial. According to degree, the polynomials are classified mainly 4 types. What are the 4 types? Linear, quadratic, cubic, biquadratic. Linear means degree is 1. General form is ax plus b. Quadratic means degree is 2. General form is ax square plus bx plus c, where a not equal to 0, abc belongs to R. Cubic polynomial. A polynomial whose degree is 3 is called what? Cubic polynomial. General form is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Like that biquadratic. Quadratic means 2. Biquadratic means 4. General form is ax 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e.